Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. I've got Mr. Doodle here with me this morning.
Good morning everybody.
And we've got a bit of a range haul to show you. We'll spread it all out on the table. Mr. Doodle's going to help me show you it all in a minute, but I'll just try and zoom round. I don't really want to do a giddy camp, but this is all from 3 shops.
3 shops, yeah.
Come on, Mr. Doodle, get your act together.
What do you want me to do?
Do we start with those ones up there? Oh, they've got so many bargains, it's unbelievable. And this is all our daughter's fault, because she rang us and said they've got a sale on at the range. So these are Mr. Doodle. Do you want to do stickers first?
Yeah.
All Mr. Doodle's stickers. Lots of the things, when we got them to the till, they was reduced even more. So he's got those. And these. They're beautiful, aren't they, them? Oh, I think I picked that packet up, but we share, don't we? These ones. What shall we have next? You're doing a grand job.
I'm doing my best.
There's lots of stuff that I wouldn't normally buy, but I'm like, 13 pence, hello. Right, little treat bags, donut treat bags. And, you know the troll tablecloth? I just happen to have 3 left, so we got some of those. I think we paid 75p or something for the one that we've got on the table, but you just have to, don't you? Some bling-a-ding-ding. I don't know what the original price were on. Oh, 99p. So they were half price. Where are we going next? Look at this.
Yeah.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Baubles, 3 pence. Pom-Pom tassels. They've only got those 2 colours. 3 pence. That's mental. And Mr. Doodle got these wooden key rings, 50 pence. And then he got this ink pad, which I think it was something like 34 pence, but when we got it to the till it was 14. That one.
Because I keep using ink.
Where should we go next? This one?
Yeah.
Picked up these. I've been after some more water brushes. Excuse me. And they was £1.60 reduced from £3.19. Bargain, bargain.
I like pay to pick them up like that.
Oh, that's a good idea. Right, dies. These little dies that are normally, sorry, wobbling the table. Normally £1, 3 pence. So I've got loads and loads of those. I've already got some of these, I think, but I thought they would be all right for giveaways and Happy Mail, that sort of thing. Even got baby ones, which I wouldn't use, but I know other people do. But there's loads of those. Unicorn, fairies, cactus, excuse me, fairy door, mermaids. So we've had a bit of a... Well, we actually went out 3 days last week, didn't we? And then there was that one for that was the last one of those, 35p. And I think that was 3 pence. Yeah, that was 3p when we got it to the till. So I was well chuffed with that. And then this folder underneath, Mr. Doodle picked that up. I don't know how much that was. 50 pence, was it?
Yeah.
Right, what else? And Mr. Doodle got these little embellishments. I spotted those. Thought they would be nice on little inches or twinches or something like that. Gorgeous girls. We've got some puffy paints. I don't have any puffy paints. Oh. Puffy paints. I think they're all puffy paints. That one might be a glass paint, but those nice bright colours. Oops, and we've got 2 of these. I'm already quite stocked up with this stuff. It's usually £1.70, is it? £1.50 or something. It's at 88p. Oh, 175 it says there. So you've just got to do it, haven't you? Oh, Ric-rac, Ric-rac. You know I love my Ric-rac. Got all different colours. They were 85p. I did pick a red one up, but he said it was £1.99. So I said no, thank you. Mr. Doodle spotted these. I have got quite a few of the brads, split pins, whatever you like to call them, but for that price, can't go wrong, can you really? Then we've got some, Mr. Doodle picked this up, I think, some craft adhesive tape, 35p. I picked these up, that was the last one of those. Thought that was quite nice. That was with the, is it the same? Oh no, it's not the same. That one's Dovecraft, that one's Violet Studio, but they were nice. Right, we've done that lot. Oh god, we've had this in the bags for 3 or 4 days. And I was like, shall we do a video? And Mr. Doodle says, come on, let's get it all on the kitchen table and do it. So here we are. They've got some of the Cosmic Shimmer. This is the glitter one, the Glitter Kiss, and I think this was, look at that, how beautiful is that? £4.99 reduced to £2.50, but unfortunately the half price was only in the Hunter Green, so that's all I got of that one. Right, these embossing powders. This is what we was going for, embossing powders. That's all we wanted was Mr. Doodle. Yeah, embossing powder, and what else did you want? Can't remember now. But stickers. And we even went to a Hobbycraft. They did the first range we went in. They didn't have any embossing powder. I was quite prepared to pay full price. Didn't have any, so we went into Hobbycraft. This was £4. You can't see the labels are rubbish. It's a Paper Mania one, and all I really wanted was black and gold. There we go. £4.30 in Hobbycraft. I'm like, no thank you. I think at the range it's usually about £2.99 or something like that. 57p. And the first one we went into, I just got a couple of them, and got them home and was like, I think we need more of those. So we went back to another shop and got some more and just double checked, and they were all, some of them were, hang on a minute, oh there we go, look, 57p, 38p. That's not food. I mean, that's not craft, that's food. Yeah, so we got quite a few of those. Again, I thought they would, we're obviously not going to use that lot, but we've got bronze and copper and gold and silver and black and the seafoam white. They did have purple and a pink one, but I've got those, and I don't think that much to them, so I didn't get those, but they'll do for some Happy Mail or giveaway or something. Right, so that was all the on offer ones, and these were all full price. I thought we'd try that. I think that was £1.29 or something. Haven't tried that before. I love this art studio line that they're doing. I think it's really good, but they seem to be, yeah, that's what you wanted, wasn't it? Those fancy stickers that Mr. Doodle had bought some. I don't think they're down here now,
No.
but he, no?
Paper Mania I would have to, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but they're still stickers, weren't they?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was Paper Mania. And the range they seem to have, I don't know if it's the same in all areas, but certainly around us, they seem to be getting rid of all the top branded stuff and bringing all this art studio stuff in. But it is good, so I wonder in time whether they'll bring their own line of like embossing powders out, and I don't know. Anyway, so there's that one. And I got some of these Scrabble tiles. I think these were £1 or 99 pence. Love those. These decoupage scissors. I've no idea how I'll get on with those. I think they were £2.99. I do like fussy cutting.
That was cheaper.
Oh, that was cheaper, yeah. Don't know how much it was, but it was reduced when we got it there. Oh, can I reach? Can I reach? I thought I would try this. I think that was something like £1.29, £1.49, something like that. Because I was after some glossy Mod Podge, but it's like £10 a pop. So I thought, well, we'll try that one. Oh, and then stickers. Mr. Doodle got some more stickers, puffy animal stickers. I was like, but they're not puffy stickers. And then I realised it actually meant that the fish were puffy. I thought, don't look at me like that. Because you can get puffy stickers, Mr. Doodle.
Can anybody understand what I'm up against?
But it says puffy animal stickers, so I thought they was puffy. Right, these Mr. Doodles. They were full price, can't remember how much. Then I just had to get some of these because Kim Kelly, she'd made me some little flowers, and they've got these beautiful little gems in the middle. Yes, please, we'll have some of those. And these as well. Kim had also sent me something similar to this and something similar to that, so we had to have some of those. Is that it?
Yeah.
Mr. Doodle got some folders. I think these were 75 pence each or something.
Yeah.
Are these the ones that are the double?
No.
No? Oh. And that is it. That's our little haul. So we can go and get it all put away and try and find somewhere to put it. God knows where we're going to put it. I have no idea. I really have no clue where this lot's going to go. I'll have to find another box or something to put it all in. But anyway, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And if you've not been to the range recently, go down and see if you can grab yourself a bargain. Because you need to. It's the law. Okay, take care. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.